Hey everybody, this is Pat. I'm at Cheney Lake in Kansas. I just figured I would shoot a little video as I drive through this little RV park they have. They call it a campground, but it's an RV park. They have full electrical hookups and so on. I just thought it was kind of interesting because I haven't been out here, God, in probably 20-25 years. And a lot has changed. So like I said, I thought I'd share a little bit of this with you. So this is just kind of cool. I don't know if you can tell in the video or not, but the cottonwoods are doing their thing. You got little fuzzies flying everywhere. But this is just kind of cool. Like I said, I'm out at Cheney Lake. So, and this is what, June 19th, so it's Father's Day. So, happy Father's Day to everybody out there who sees this. Probably a day late, but you know, same. I may have to stop and inquire about what they charge to park out here, since I'm still local for probably another 12 months. This might be kind of fun. Wow. Craziness, I tell you, craziness. Straight ahead of us right now, there's a play area for kids and so on. Kind of forgotten how nice this place was in certain areas. When you get closer to the lake, it gets kind of blah, I think anyway. But that's just me. So if I take enough video, maybe you guys can be able to see it. I guess I should have you guys probably mounted on the window instead of the dash. Sorry for the jiggles. But, you know. Just crazy. Just thought I'd spend the day out here and see what was here. The sign says if we keep going this way, we'll get to Sailboat Cove. So I'm assuming that's where all the sailboats will be. Maybe we'll stop and take a look at the sailboats. I know this isn't my normal type of video that I do, but you know, hey, good to mix things up. Good to mix things up. Oh, I see sailboats over in the corner. So we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Dun 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 dun. Sailboats. Look at all these boats. Some pretty tiny ones, some pretty big ones. A lot of people out working on them. That one's got a problem. This is just crazy. Cheney Lake's not a real big lake. I mean, it's actually a reservoir. It's where Wichita and surrounding places to get their water and stuff. So that's why there that's why there isn't a whole lot of big boats. So little play area, little boats, as you can see. I'm gonna park real quick and take a walk and get some better views. So, won't be a very long walk, but it'll be a walk. Okay? So, until next time.